Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another tape reading session for Tuesday the 2nd of December, which was yesterday. I didn't get around to going through price action on straight on camera last night, so we're going to go through it now. Be a quick one because we are half hour away from market open and I want to get right involved. So we opened up here. Sorry, we opened up here on this red line, makes our opening range gap higher. And we immediately we take these relative equal lows and then we take them, move higher, expand, take previous day high, which is this green line, take that, and then we continue to run. We rebalance. There's your first fair value gap formed in the session. Acts as a breakaway gap, but as you can see, we rebalance on these. Let's move down. If I touch the midpoint of it and then move higher back to the newly formed relative equal highs within there. So that could be a little model within itself, especially with these relative equal highs being high probability because this high at 952 is lower than highs at 940, making them relatively equal to each other. And then we just continue to displace higher. No real key levels here. Our next all-time objective would be in this new week opening gap on the 3rd of November, but as you can see, it's such a way away. It's never going to reach that without rebalancing first. So yeah, we rebalance, but algorithmically, look at this. First fair value gap formed in the session, rebalance directly towards that wick through, leave a discounted portion within that, and then body declosures just above previous day high yesterday, and then we rebalance there, and then we take the newly formed relative equal highs here. I mean, there's an order block within here, so that could have been your entry after seeing this get tapped. And there's your entry. Straight candle, straight to the buy side. Speed, that's what you want. After taking a high, as we rebalance back, keep moving down. But look where we draw towards. I mean, look how well defended this area is. It's going to take a lot for price to move past that, and then, well, once it does, we move with speed. But look where we draw towards. New day opening gap. If I touch the midpoint a bit, but to the basic draw, we've got the lower quadrant of the opening range gap, and then tap that, move higher. Look at this, body closure on the high of the new week opening gap from this week. Moves higher. Fails to touch the the first presented fair value gap of the session. And we just chop around, just keep wicking through the new week opening gap, and then we start to go back to the upside, rebalance, and then where do we draw back towards first fair value gap in the session? Taps Friday's high, rebalance back, and then look again, rebalances back to the first fair value gap in the session. You see how many times it gets interacted with just throughout the day, though. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times that price will always revert back to it and then expand either higher or lower. Yeah, and then we rebalance back to the first value gap in the session, and then we move back higher to take the newly formed relative equal highs. You see a pattern forming because this is all you need. Key levels, relative equal highs and lows. Well, find out which way price is going to go towards by using the PDRAs, strength and weaknesses of each PDRA, and then the key levels within, then you are good to go. So yeah, we take them rented vehicle highs, fail to take these, and we just chop around for the rest of the session. Um, yeah, I'll do today's price action in separate videos. NFP today, so I'm probably just going to trade PM sesh. But yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry it's been a quick one. It's a little bit rushed, but yeah, tune in for the next one. Peace.